I'm doing her face. When she gets her picture.
It is her face.
It's also her face. She makes his face laugh. She never made that face.
Are you sure? I mean, kind of looks like some of the faces she makes, just minus the teeth. Yeah, you gotta gum it there.
But it's impossible. It's weirding me out right now. There's not a lacy in my face. There's no facey. It's so clever. People tell me, oh, you're so clever.